The Academic Staff Union of Secondary Schools in Nigeria, ASSUS, has called for renewed commitments towards restoring the dignity of the teaching profession and reclaiming the value of education in the country. The call was made during the union's 2026 National Executive Council meeting held in Ado-Ekiti, Ekiti State, with the theme, The Mindset Shifts. As part of activities marking the meeting, the union also distributed motorcycles to members through the ASSUSS Welfare Cooperative Multipurpose Society, describing the initiative as part of its commitment to improving members' welfare. Speaking at the event, ASSUSS National President, Comrade Sola Adigun, said that the theme reflects the urgent need for teachers, governments, and other stakeholders to embrace a new approach towards repositioning education for national development. According to him, transforming the education sector begins with restoring the dignity of teachers, improving their welfare, and creating an environment where educators are valued for their critical role in shaping society.
This is far more than a gathering of union leaders. It is a convergence of the visionaries, reformers, and patriots committed to the transformation of the teaching profession and advancement of education in Nigeria.
Adigun also commended the governor of Ekiti State, Ado-Ekiti, for his administration's commitment to education and teachers' welfare.
Permit me to express our profound appreciation to His Excellency, Ado-Ekiti, let everyone say, bow! The Executive Governor of Ekiti State, who for his unwavering commitment to education and for the warm hospitality extended to ASSUSS. We are deeply grateful to the government and to the good people of Ekiti State for making this historic gathering possible.
The governor, who was represented by the head of service, Ekiti State, Dr. Folakemi Olomojobi, officially declared the National Executive Council meeting open.
I want to, on his behalf, declare this next meeting open to the glory of the Almighty God and to the blessing of humanity.
In his remarks, the governor reaffirmed his administration's resolve to sustaining investments in education through improved infrastructure, capacity building for teachers, and policies aimed at enhancing learning outcomes across the state. Delegates from different chapters of the union described the rotational NEC meeting as an opportunity to deliberate on emerging challenges affecting secondary education, review the union's activities, and develop strategies for strengthening the teaching profession nationwide. The meeting also featured discussions on teachers' welfare, professional development, educational reforms, and the need for greater collaboration among governments, school administrators, and education stakeholders. Participants expressed optimism that the resolution reached at the meeting would contribute to improving the quality of education and repositioning teachers as key drivers of national development. For Morganable Media, I am Blessing Ogundola.